So I got your question about using the calculator here for this problem here you posted a picture of. I guess critical things are, it's alpha is 0.01 and it's a two-tailed test here, okay? So it's a two-tailed test and you're asking how do you get the critical values. Well, if I drew a picture here, it looks like, it's a normal curve. It's two-tailed test, which means part of it's here and then part of it's over here. And so alpha is 0.01, and so half of that's here, so that'd be 0.005, and the other half is here, 0.005. I'm just I'm taking this and dividing by 2, and you have half in each of the tails. It's a two-tailed test. And so how do you get these critical values? So I've gone into the calculator. What you do is you hit second, and then we need second distribution, and then you need to go down to the inverse norm, and you need to, I'm typing in this 0.005, and then this is, I just accepted 0, and the other number you can't see here is 1, and then I told it to calculate it, and you round it to nearest hundreds, it'd be negative 2.58, and since it's symmetric, you have symmetry here, this is going to, is going to be positive 2.58. So again, you just hit second and distribution, and then go down to the inverse norm, and the key is to put this 0.005 in because it's a two-tailed test, and then just leave that as 0 and the other number is 1, and have it calculate it for you. Hope this helps.